With more and more platforms utilizing video to populate their feeds, creating video content is a great way to get a little boost out of your SEO and algorithm rankings. In today's environment, videos can be created for a lot of different purposes and can vary widely in length, cost, and even quality. Today, I'm going to share with you a few ways you can utilize video to help you in your 2019 marketing. Tip number one, Facebook prioritizes video. Like any website, the goal is to keep the user on the site as long as possible. This creates a unique advantage for video. Unlike text and photos that can be scrolled through fairly rapidly, video has a unique advantage because naturally it takes a few seconds to realize if you even like a video or not before you keep scrolling. That means even if you didn't engage with the viewer, Facebook still saw a relatively large uptick in user retention. That, over time, will help you in the rankings. Stories get you seen. Brands now have the unbelievable opportunity to stay right at the top of your viewers' social media platforms. When you post to your story, your name and avatar are brought to the front of the list, putting you on the top of all of your followers' home screens. This is something that used to cost a lot of money in banner ads, but now can be accomplished by simply posting periodically throughout the day. A little tip is to go into your Instagram settings and connect to your Facebook page. That way, when you post to Insta stories, it automatically gets uploaded to your Facebook, giving you twice the exposure for half the work. Lastly, you can share your insight in a video blog format. This can be done as easily as setting up a webcam or a cell phone and answering questions that you commonly receive in your field. You can then post that content to YouTube or your website, and it can really help with your SEO ranking. Well, that's it for today. I hope I got you thinking about how you can utilize video in your social media strategy. And if you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments below.